Solve your problem if your Discord keeps restarting again and again. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So for that, first of all, make sure that your Discord account is already updated to the latest version. For that, you need to go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you need to search for the Discord and install and update the latest version of Discord on your device. If you have already done so and still the problem is shown there, then the next solution is to open your Discord, long press on the Discord from here. Now go on the eye icon, go to the storage option. Now clear all the data and clear all the cache from here and reinstall your Discord. Again, log into your account, and now what you should do is you should now report the problem on the Discord by going on the setting option on the down right side. So for here, you need to go on the support option. After that, go on the help option, and from here you should search for the report a problem and tap on the report a problem. You can also ask a question to the Discord and also submit your problem by reporting them, and the Discord will send you feedback after a few days, and this might solve your problem. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.